Do you want to elevate your charcuterie board? Let's make meat flowers. I know, I love it. The best thing to use is a champagne flute, I have found, and that's how you're going to take slices of your salami or whatever meat that you're using and slice by slice, stick it halfway in and then fold it over the glass. If you want a nice size meat flower, then you're going to want to use probably about 8 to 10 pieces, and just keep repeating this process and go around the glass and, kind of put your finger inside to squeeze it in, and then we're going to flip. This is the best part. Use your hands just to keep that flower on the bottom, and voila, there you go. Do that several times and place it onto different parts of your charcuterie board along with everything else you want to snack on.